Hey, welcome to UK Wild Crafts. Here's a quick and easy way to cook these beautiful parasol mushrooms. After all the rain we've been having, these are starting to pop up everywhere now. And if you're not sure how to identify the parasol mushroom, then check out my foraging in September video. I'll leave a link in the description. All you need is a fairly large parasol mushroom, a couple of tomatoes, some mozzarella, some olive oil and a pinch of salt, and maybe a small amount of a herb like thyme, oregano or marjoram. First of all, turn your oven on and get it preheated to 180 degrees, and then get a baking tray. You want to put your mushroom cap down and then remove the stem, and you want to cut your tomatoes into rounds and also slice up your mozzarella. And then we're just placing the slices of the tomato and mozzarella alternately on top of the mushroom in a similar way to a caprese salad. Put on a pinch of salt, a little splash of olive oil, and I'm putting on some marjoram as well. Once the oven's up to temperature, just chucking it straight in and baking it for roughly 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out of the oven. I'm going to put it straight under the grill just to quickly brown it up. That should do it. So, one baked parasol mushroom. Really simple to make. Nice and tasty.